Hi Gemini, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your yearly forecast for the year 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into this oracle deck that I have here. Geminis, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. And I sincerely wish that 2022 turns out to be the way you desire. Let's just dive into your reading, Gemini. Towards the final days of December 2021, stepping into 2022, we have the Six of Swords. Possibly many of you were moving about or commuting. Maybe you were also traveling to another place, or you were vacationing or holidaying. I think this time was a time when you needed to have a very flexible approach. Sometimes, you may have been uncertain or undecided about your course of action, but then at the 11th hour, everything had fallen into place. Maybe you didn't have the energy or the drive, but then this card was asking you to move forward. Maybe many of you were also dealing with technical work or official paperwork. Incidentally, Geminis, I think you were enjoying good food, but then you may have had digestive system related issues at this time. Obstacles to overcome this, the challenges that 2022 is going to pose for you is the Six of Pentacles, another six in your reading. Certainly, I think you may feel challenged when it comes to financial matters. I think expenditure is going to mount this year. Maybe you should save for a rainy day. Other than that, Geminis, I'm also picking up that you could be quite temperamental. Maybe you're affected on account of the limitations that are there, which are imposed upon you by your family members. Some of you may also want to leave the roost. You want to set sail for greener pastures. But then you should also weigh the pros and cons. You should understand that your expectations may not be met. This year, you could also be affected due to a change of plans, because the influence for this year is the Knight of Wands. This is a card which is asking you to be quite driven, to be quite focused, and you are going to be just that. Certainly, you have that go-getter attitude. I think you want to capitalize, you want to make the most of the opportunities that the year 2022 is going to present to you. But then while rushing headlong, I think you should not overlook the details. Basically, this is the Wands energy which is going to get you plaudits for your creativity, for your physical appearance as well. Maybe with respect to financial matters, you should be a bit careful. Some of you could be questioned about how you put your money to use or how money has been spent. The first 4 months of the year, we have the Ten of Swords. This is a card which is asking you to look deeper. I think you should be careful because there are people who are quite jealous, or there are rivals out there who are going to trouble you. Maybe you should also be careful because your responsibilities are going to overwhelm you. Sometimes, you could feel quite helpless because of the family situation. Maybe you feel that your family has too many issues or too many problems. Incidentally, Geminis, you should follow your instinct, but then as it happens, you may believe that your family members are not paying attention or your instincts are being ignored. Sometimes your loved ones could also question your decisions. This energy is such that you may feel that everything is cyclic or everything is energy draining. You may be back to square one. Financially also, you may feel the lack. But then there are going to be people who are going to help you out. Maybe your loved ones will come to the rescue. Maybe you will realize that certain bad decisions have been made. But then these are the challenges which are going to harden you for better days ahead. Indeed, your popularity seems to be on an all-time high in the next 4 months of the year. Your intelligence is going to help you make gains. Besides, you're also going to be quite intuitive. Everyone will agree to your foresight. Though in the first 4 months, people try to disregard your intuition, but in these 4 months, that is between May, June, July, August, I think you will be listened to. Other than that, Geminis, on the work front also, I think you're somebody who's not going to tolerate injustice. Maybe you will question your juniors over financial matters. Maybe you suspect that the junior is hiding something from you, or because of a junior's mistakes, you're losing out. You do want transparency with respect to your finances. Even if you're going to make a killing, you may feel that your pockets aren't too deep. Perhaps Geminis, you will also have to pay up. Nevertheless, I think money is coming in at this time. You're going to put it to use. But you should also hoard money, or you should also keep aside money for your future. In these months also, there's going to be hectic activity. You're going to be commuting, or you're going to be traveling. Again, I will reiterate that you need to be careful while dealing with documents or while dealing with paperwork. Maybe because of your mistakes, you have to redo the tasks. These are the months when you will also be socializing. You will enjoy good food. You will also want to do up your living space or your home. The last 4 months of the year, we have the Judgment card. I think karma is definitely going to be involved here. As you sow, as you reap, as the saying goes. But we did clarify the Judgment, and we have the Queen of Swords. Things definitely start to look up after the first 4 months for you. I think even in the final 4 months, you're going to have a very business-like approach. This is the Swords energy, which is your air energy here. So certainly you're going to be getting down to business. I think even without saying much, you're going to say a lot. Sometimes, from inside you could be a bit tentative, or you could be quite hassled, but then your face will not give that away. You will realize that everything is under control, or everything will go as per plan. So your schedules could be disrupted at times. I think even if you're in the leadership position, you don't want to explain yourself too much. You do have that high school demeanor which you're radiating. Money or wages could also come in at this time. You're somebody who will do the groundwork. You're somebody who is going to be in the spotlight from mid-year to the final months of the year, even if there are meetings lined up, or even if there is a work-related project. I think you're going to come up trumps. However, Geminis, this year, I think you should be careful because technical issues could crop up at work. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Hidden Read Between the Lines. I think Geminis, you should understand there's more to what's going on the surface. You should delve deeper. Single Geminis, you're definitely coming across as someone who's quite attractive. You have the Knight of Wands here. You do have the Six of Wands, which means that your popularity is going to skyrocket this year, whether it concerns the opposite sex, or whether it concerns your own sex, or whether at work as well. I think somebody is also going to re-enter your life. Maybe this knight in shining armor wants to sweep you off your feet. Maybe many of you also have options with respect to matters of the heart. Someone from your past could also re-enter this year. Perhaps Geminis, you could also suffer from commitment phobia. Even if there are prospective suitors, you may wonder whether you can provide for this person, or whether you can have a secure future with this person. I think many of you, in case you're in a serious relationship, you also want commitment. You don't want this person to play games with you. Nevertheless, I think romancing Geminis, you're going to plan dinner dates. I think your person is also going to acknowledge your talents. Maybe you should not snub him at times, because you're coming across as someone who can be quite curt or blunt at times. So this is something you need to be mindful of. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you could complain of your partner being inattentive to your needs. Nevertheless, I think your person is someone who wants you to realize that you do have a complete hold over him. We have this card, if only you were aware of the effect you have on him. So this person definitely wants you to understand that you have impacted his life in more ways than one. You have helped him evolve. You have helped him in his transformation as well. I think Gemini, you should also be careful because there could be somebody who is going to instigate your person. So there could be arguments with your beloved over these matters. So don't allow anybody to influence your relationship, so to speak. From the Native Spirit Oracle deck, we have this card, Spirit of Fire. Possibly, you're dealing with the fire signs. Twice over we have these cards, Six of Wands, and we also have the Knight of Wands. So you're dealing with Sagittarius, Leo, or even Aries this year in 2022, that is. I think you're being asked to be more creative, to take that chance, face your fears as well. Even if we have the Ten of Swords, we do have the Spirit of Fire, which is asking you to change your routine, take that risk. Fire can also maintain life or it can destroy it. So this Spirit of Fire is asking you to be passionate about your work, about how you proceed, be more adventurous, be more daring and audacious. I think Geminis, you're going to be recognized. You're going to be someone who is going to be getting acclaim and honor this year. Success and achievement is definitely on the cards for you. Though sometimes there could be confusion because from Lenormand we have clouds, and we also have this card Mice, which talks about a drain of finances or something which is quite worrisome or giving you sleepless nights. So you should be careful about how you have put your finances. Incidentally, in this reading, it did come up that you could question the way money has been put to use, or somebody could question you about the same. So be careful about that as well, Gemini. Another thing, Geminis, there could be confusion with respect to a health matter. Maybe you're also somebody who's suffering from sleeplessness. That is why Archangel Raphael is asking you to meditate here, to find that inner peace, to find that solitude which you so desire. Maybe you should reflect on situations rather than act hastily. I think some of you can also join a healing program, or you could join yoga classes, meditate, work on your mind, body and spirit this year. The last card in your reading is Admired. Definitely you're coming across as someone who is going to be much admired, whether at work or personally as well. You're going to enjoy your place in the sun this 2022. In fact, you're being asked to shine bright like that diamond. I hope Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.